Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll start install SCM application. Okay, before starting the SCM application, try to download prerequisites. It is required while installing SCM. To download the prerequisites, required internet connection because on the virtual machine still I'm not enabled bridge adapter. That's why I'm downloading prerequisites of the SCM. Downloading on locally. I will tell you how to download. Okay. This is the SCM application we downloaded from internet. Okay. First, we need to extract this one. We need to unzip this file. Okay. Right click, open it. We need to unzip here. I'm creating the folder here. I'm unzipping here. Creating new folder. Okay. Click on unzip. Okay. I'm unzipping the files here. If you open the file, you can able to see here. Okay. It will take 10 to 15 minutes of time. Once after unzipping the file, then we need to download a language pack, not language pack, like a prerequisites we need to download. Okay. First, I will tell you like how to download prerequisites offline. While installing, no need to download again. We'll directly install it. Okay. Now unzip successfully completed. Okay, clicking on OK. Close this one. Now let's open this folder wherever we unzip the files. Okay. You can directly click on Splash. Here we need to download prerequisites first. Okay. Click on this one. Click yes. Here we need to give the path where we need to download. Okay. I'm giving here new folder prerequisites. Okay. Here we need to give the path where we need to download. Okay. If you click on download, now download will start automatically. Okay. This is the one method you can download. Okay. One more method I will tell you. Let me cancel this one. If you directly click on download, now it will download. Okay. There is another method as well. I will tell you. Clicking on cancel. Now go to SCM setup folder, bin 64-bit. Here setup.dl file is there. Okay, you need to run this file. Okay, same pop-up came like we need to select the path where we need to download. Again, same download button we need to click. You can use both methods or any one of the method you can use. Okay, to download the language pack. Okay, I already downloaded these files. I will copy here. Okay, these are the files I already downloaded. I'm copying here. While installing a SCM application, we'll select directly this folder. No need to download again. Okay. Now let's start virtual machine. Now we'll start installing SCM application. Okay. Okay. Let's wait up to for copying this file. copy is completed. Now go to Z drive. Here, this is the folder we extracted, and here is the language packs we downloaded. Okay. Let me copy total folder to server desktop. Okay, these set of files are not required anymore now. I'm deleting now because C drive space is getting full. Windows toolkits we already download, installed, and SQL Server also we already installed. SSMS also we already installed. Now these files are not required. I'm deleting these files. Copying is taking time. Let's wait up to copying the files. Okay, now files are copied to desktop. Okay, let's start installation of SCM application. Click on S plus. Sometimes if you are not able to see any pop-up here, then you can directly go to the SCM setup file. There you can directly launch setup file there. 64-bit setup. Okay, now setup started. Click on next. Here I'm installing only standalone primary. Okay, if you need to install in future, if you are going to install any like other primary and need to then we need to install only this one like a primary side. If you are installing standalone primary side, you can select this one. Okay, if you need to install say CAS side, then you need to select this radio button. Okay, now I'm uninstalling only standalone primary side. That's why I'm selecting here. Click next. Click next. Okay, I don't have any key. I'm selecting first option. Okay, we need to accept the all licenses. Next. Here, if you like prerequisites, just before starting the video, we already downloaded offline. That's why we can directly select here like previously downloaded. If you're not downloaded, then need to select this one, then internet connection is required. Okay, selecting this one like we already downloaded. Let's go to select the path. This is the folder. Select OK. Click next. It will take 2 to 3 minutes here. Okay. Now next step is we need to select this, enter the site code. It should be 3 letters. Any digits we can able to give or any characters also we can give. I'm giving PRI like primary site. I'm giving primary site. Here I'm giving primary. Okay, here I'm giving like installation directory because I have only C drive. That's why I'm giving C drive only. If you have any other like in production, you can give any other than C drive. You can select any other drive to install SCM application. Last one is if you uncheck this one, like on that server, whatever the server you're installing, console will not install. If you need to install the console, then we need to select this radio button like a checkbox here. Then click on next. Click on next. Now click here next. Here it will show like whatever the devices are, like entries we selected, like primary site, PRI, site code, each and everything, installation directory as well. It will show here. Then click next. Here it will check the prerequisites. What are the prerequisites? If there any prerequisites are missing, it will show here errors. If there is any warning is there, then we can directly ignore that. No problem. If any errors are there, we need to check that one. Okay. Here it will take 2 to 3 minutes to check the prerequisites. We'll wait. Now prerequisites is checking completed. Here also, like we can check logs here, like whatever the log is there, we can check here. Prerequisites are log, it will create under C drive. Okay, by default, we can open this log. Okay, first of all, let me open CM trace. Then we can able to view logs easily. Go to SCM setup, tools, CM trace. Click on yes. Can close this one. Then go to C drive. Then open this one. Okay. Here we can able to select to check what are the prerequisites are passed here. Is there any error? We can also identify here. Okay, here there is no any errors for prerequisites. These errors we can ignore this one, no problem. Okay. Okay, this is the configuration manager setup log. Like once if you click begin install, then this log will start installing. Like we can able to monitor the installation here. Okay. Now let me click on begin install. See background, the log is started. Okay. You can directly click on here also. Same log, it will open automatically. If you click view log, same log. See under config mgr setup.log, it will open. Okay. It will take more time, like 1 hour or more than 1 hour, as per your RAM. Whatever the RAM you given virtual machine, it will take that much time. If you given any 2 GB RAM or 1 GB RAM of SCM server, it will take around 6 hours of time. It will take, because as I experienced a few, I given last time 2 GB of RAM, it took more than 6 hours. That's why this time I given 6 GB and 5 GB of RAM for this virtual machine. Okay, 5 GB of RAM. Let's see how much time it will take. Or in between errors will come. No problem. We can ignore this one. Okay. Okay. I'm passing the video. Let's wait. If there is any pop-up or anything error came, I will start again. Okay. Let me pass this one. Okay. Installation is started. We can ignore those errors. Let me pass that video. I'll be back. Now database setup is going on. It will take, this is the main file. It will take so much time. Like here, extracting all server data, tables and views. Okay. That's why it will take so much time. Okay. Creating the tables. Okay. Now almost 40 minutes they completed. Still installation is going on. Okay, this is the log file, still it is loading. As of now, there is no any errors. Okay, we will wait. We'll wait and monitor. Now components are installing now. Okay. SMS executive, SMS, inbox manager, policy provider. Okay, let's see and wait. Now core setup installation has completed. Okay, but still some components are still is installing. Okay, here if you see configuration manager setup completed, but still we need to wait because still components are running. For that we need to check site component log. Now we need to go to C drive, like installation directory, program files, configuration manager, logs, site comp. We need to monitor this log. Now components are started installing now. Okay. See role setup.mp. Now mp role is installing now. Okay. Now we can monitor in this log. If we scroll little bit up, you can able to see like other components also started installing. Here, what is this? Okay, we'll monitor it. Okay, for core installation, it took almost 3 hours. Now still these components are run installing. Once everything is completed, all these circles are came to green. Okay, let's see. We'll monitor it. Still MP installation going on. We'll monitor MP installation in MP MSI log. Let me open MP MSI. Still now MP installation still it is going on. Okay, let's wait. MP setup also we can monitor it. Now still it is installing MP MSI. Okay, let's monitor this log only. Set component. Now everything is completed. Installation. Now installation is completed. Let me open console. Okay, you can able to see the folder here, Microsoft Endpoint Manager, and here also it is there. Okay, let me open console. If it is looks like small screen, then if you go to the view, there you can see here full screen. Again, if you want to back again, go downside up, pop-up will come. Go to view, exit full screen. Now it will show full screen here. Easy to identify. Now console is open. Then able to see all like device collections, basic device collections. How many devices are there? Okay. Go to this sites also, site systems. You can see like what are the roles are installed by default, management point, distribution points. Okay. Go to the sites. You can see only one primary site is there. Here site system roles, you can able to see what are the roles are installed. Okay. Here you can see under monitoring components, maximum allowed green. In a site hierarchy, it will show only one primary site, PRI. There is any secondary sites as well. We are not installed it. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Bye.